Welcome to Bali, guys. Come to Bali Banana and buy souvenirs. They also have baked foods and different varieties of souvenirs here in Bali Banana. Alright, Bali Banana, yeah. Alright guys, we are here now at Nguraray International Airport. So we're going home now. Masarap daw yung Bali Banana, Mami. Oo, maipa tayo eh. Palis na tayo. Bali Banana? Okay. Wala pa naman yun.
Meron yun pa.
Sa loob, sana.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Goodbye, Widdy. Thank you for the wonderful tour. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Salamat jalan.
Salamat, John.
Thank you so much.
Have a great day.
Yeah. Right, so let's go to Bali Banana. Okay, we are here at Bali Banana. Semprong 145 for 3. Kacang crispy. 70 to.
Ayun, tatlo.
145 for 3, pero iba to.
Iba to. 4 pieces.
$70,000. Bali. All of this? Okay. Oh, nasisira yan. Mas maganda to.
Mag-metal kami. Para hindi masipit.
Sempuyang.
Body. Okay. Tandaan.
Saan?
Ayun, body.
Ay, banana Bali yan.
Ito nga, ganda buong. May bed ko din eh.
Ito. Cute. Sige. Ito na lang din kaya. Hindi nakalagay na.
Maganda ang kitchen quality.
Rahman. Banana Bali. Banana. Kainan na. You also have t-shirt. Hey.
Shots on banana.
Ay, banana Bali. How much for this one? Walang price. We bought t-shirts. Glass shot, 60,000. And these are the other varieties of snacks that they offer.
Ikaw din.
Ayan, pastel. Habo mo. Kaklat. Oh, dried banana. 28. Ba? May chocolate. And they also serve baked in Bali with love. And these are the prices. Got this for this for this way. 100 all one box. How about this one?
For this one, for the one box, 145.
For
Three.
3 pieces. It's already 3.
Yeah, 3 box.
Okay. For this one whole box is 100.
This one box 70. For
If
the 2
three-
box 100.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. And this is what we will buy. So many souvenirs. Ito keychain. Ay, ko muna ito. Ito. Sarang bana. 100, 100. Ito. Then this one. What's this? 145. Yung isa. Ganda na lalagyan kasi. Welcome to Bali, guys. Come to Bali Banana and buy souvenirs.
Do you packing with
They also have baked foods and different varieties of souvenirs here in Bali Banana. Alright, Bali Banana, yeah. Okay, so we're done buying souvenir from Bali Banana. We have free box, yeah. Nice one. Goodbye. Going home now. Yeah. Alright, we are now inside Bali Airport, and there are also souvenirs here if you forget to buy outside. Departure. Bye. Bali duty free, perfume, Dior. Balinese liquor. Mont Blanc. Ganda nito. Sarong. Bumaba na. Right, we are here now at the boarding area, and here we can see the largest statue in Bali, the GWK. So big. Yeah. So guys, this is the Bali airport with Balinese design. Yeah. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Salamat jalan. Sok suma. Bali from above, yeah. And this is what we bought in Bali. So many souvenirs, yeah.